Hello traders, hope you're having a wonderful weekend so far. Sorry I wasn't available the whole week, but I told you guys I won't be around because of the funeral, but now I'm done. Now I'm fully back into trading full time. So this week expect to see me every day of the week. You'll see me, and just came here to give you an analysis of what has been going on so far since the whole week I wasn't around. What should we expect this coming week? And yeah, let's dive into it. So for the ones who aren't here, we are running a challenge where we started with 5,000 USD. Currently we are at 156,617. Remember, we made profit of 1,748, right? Minus commission. Commission is like my broker charged me 13,000 so far, bringing the actual balance to 156,617 so far. These are the trades we have taken so far, and we're lucky to have 9. Okay, it's not luck, it's skill, end of the day, to have 9 consecutive trades in profit, with the smallest one being this one, 8th trade, which we got $39. That was last weekend when we traded Bitcoin. And our biggest trade being the 6th trade, which we traded gold, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it was gold. You can go from check from the first videos and get updated, and you get to see what I do here. So let's start into it. First, before we start, we obviously have to come to Forex Factory, and tomorrow, Monday 20th, we seem to have a lot of bank holidays, which are whole day bank holidays, meaning we'll have a market which is partially closed, so traders won't be there. Okay, us experienced traders won't be coming to trade tomorrow, so I know we'll have a slow market, so there's no point of trading tomorrow. Tomorrow is our break. We take a break, you know. Consistency, small trades, make sure we get good results. We don't have to trade every day. No, 2 months, 9 trades, and all of them into profitability. What else do you need? So tomorrow I might also update you guys, just post analysis on what I expect. I'm also doing that today, so let's get into it. So we start with GU. Let me remove this. GU, my friend. I love GU because I'm consistent with it. So far this year I've not made a loss on GU, and I love it. So let me push this one a bit there. So what's going on with GU? Last time I updated you guys, we were on this sell, right? And I told you guys the market seems to respect this support level so much, and there's a lot of volume here. Remember last time, this volume which traders manipulate, I warned you, that's why I circled this place. Break above, a lot of volume is here, and we see markets aren't passing here. Though I wanted to target below, because remember my range low was below. You can see with this line, earlier 12, you can check my previous videos, and markets aren't passing this line, and so I didn't expect it. Last time I updated you guys, we were here, so formed a channel from there. When we bounced, came here, this order block, we had a nice buying opportunity here with targets just above here. So what's happening now on GU, based on my understanding, is we were on a sell order flow, but now this was order flow which we have broken, and now we are targeting this order flow here, and we see market reacted with that rejection on the last candle there. So I believe now we're in a bullish market for now, either a correction. I don't know what we're in right now, so I'll wait to see what will unfold on GU. But so far my narrative was changed, because now the state of delivery has changed. ICT traders say that, so fancy word, let me use it. So we have broken above this high, broken above, so order flow is changing now, but I believe we'll see true change if we break above this area. The last candle rejected. Let's see how Monday open, Tuesday, let's see what will happen. If we go above this, now that's sure, like we might see move to the upside, then we might see maybe a correction to here, somewhere here, because there's a lot of volume here based on the anchored volume profile I showed you guys. There's a lot of volume there, so maybe there, then we continue higher. But yeah, that's just my thesis or analysis on GU. So let's move forward quickly. I'm just giving you an update. Which other trade did we take? Oh, by the way, the 9th trade I took was the trade I gave last video towards the end on US 500. So I'll break that down too. So other trade we looked into was NZDUSD. Beautiful trade. Remember, traders were targeting sweep of liquidity, change of character, order block here. They were targeting lower, but I told you guys my bias was always bullish because we were on the 5th wave of the Elliott wave, so it made sense. But I didn't have a confirmation on buying, although we would have bought here, remember, but we had news that Tuesday. That's why we see this huge bullish move. We didn't know which direction it will go, so it will have gone either down or up. Why risk? But we took a small trade here. It's also part of our trade for this month, and we made profit on that also. It's also included in the analysis. I'll overlay my broker history on the page on the screen here, so you'll see it. I'll do that while editing the video. So NZDUSD, we have we broke order flow changed here as soon as we broke above this high. Told you guys what to expect when we broke above this channel will break above, will come retest. So there was an order block here. I think it's on the 2-hour time frame. Yep, on the 2-hour time frame we had this order block, came retested, and we were in this consolidation or wedge or something, and we get to see also a sweep of liquidity below this low, maybe below this low, using this week over here, confirming bullish presence, and so far the market has just been going up. But that was to expect. That was expected because I told you guys it will happen. So yeah, right now we are at this Stancott area where prices. Is it a reclaimed order block? Is it a support changed to become resistance? As we see here, market went below. Market just came to test the area and we see some reaction, but remember, order flow is still bullish, so don't just see here and place sales. Order flow is still bullish, so we'll see what to expect from there, but that's not on my radar right now. I'm not interested in this pair. Let's go to gold. What do we see on gold? Gold has had rather bullish week, but I told you guys when we were here we had like a falling pendant or wedge kind of pattern on the daily time frame where we broke out of, came retested, and now we became bullish on the pair. We took these trades, all these trades, we took this trade with you guys, so you've been seeing my analysis. So SMC, ICT, Wyckoff. Let me give you guys a glimpse of my template, what I use for my template, so that you know what strategies I use. Breaker block, ICT. Change of character, smart money concepts. Double top, that's just technical analysis. Extreme POI, that's SMC. Fair value gap, both SMC and last point of supply, that's Wyckoff. And what else? Utah, that's Wyckoff. So I use, personally, let me tell you the strategy I use. I use ICT, I use SMC, I use Wyckoff, and I use Elliott wave. Then just technical analysis, support, resistance, we all know those things. So I pick a bit of everything, then I combine it to make a super strategy that works for me. And so far you've seen it, it works, for me in my technical analysis. I don't take the whole ICT, I don't use unicorn models, and although turtle soup, and though I know I have a bit of this concept, although last time I gave a false idea on the unicorn model. The unicorn model happens like this. We sweep this low, then we come, take that high, come, retest, and go above. Right? ICT traders, sweep below, come here, break a block formed. That's the unicorn model. So I made a mistake. Last time the analysis I showed you, we had not swept below. So I just it was just an up continuation of order flow, and I called it, I mistook. So there's the correction. So what's going on gold? Let's come below on the 2-hour chart. You get to see last time I left you here. After this, we saw this huge bullish move, of which I told you guys to expect it because my target was here. We didn't on the first move we didn't hit TP. Second move I told you to trade, but target the first high as your first TP, second TP, target there, and the markets went well. But we all see it was only, you know, bullish. So the market wasn't efficient end of the day. Lots of maybe fair value gaps and all that. So end of the day, markets had to come back down to where we had the last point of where like sell side liquidity was offered. So we saw markets came down to here, markets became efficient, then continued with the trend. Using Elliott wave, we see we broke above this channel with the green trend line here. There was a trade here. Now this was the point of invalidation where we would have had a change of character. So this order block supported price, and we targeted the upside. Sorry, I'm a bit sleepy. I'm going to sleep after this, but we targeted the upside, targeting this prices and reacting on this trend line. We saw a lot of rejections at the moment, but let's see what Monday brings. That's now the fifth wave. This is the fifth wave. Remember, fourth, fifth. So my target is maybe it can end here, or we can sweep, because I know retail traders have stop losses here at 24.31. I know they can sell here, and it's not nothing new. Even some I'm sure sold here 23.82. Their stop losses here. So if markets can sweep that liquidity, well and good, but we'll see, because also I'm still bullish for now, technical wise, because the time I'll be bearish is when this resistance turn support gets broken below, and then this first demand zone also gets broken below. Then we have a retest. That's when I'll be sure, oh yeah, markets have changed, we're going down. But markets can also break this, come below, tap here, and also go up. So this is a pivotal point. So we'll see how order flow will play out here. If we see order flow change to the upside, well and good. If we see to the downside, well and good. So right now I'm still there, just patience, waiting. Then another trade I took, I'm going to update you guys, was USD Swiss. This has been our best trade so far. Still holding. I gave an in-depth, the first video I ever did was on this pair. The first trade also I ever took was on this pair. We got like 4,000 and something dollars. It was this buy here, this order block. It's been a strong order block, because we see all this times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times, 9, 10. You see, it held price for a long time. But remember this POI here, supported price. This POI I drew back in October last year. You can check. Remember, my point of invalidation was this point, 0.92543, point of invalidation. This order block held prices so well. It's a POI I drew back in October last year, 2023. There's a lot of liquidity. Prices couldn't make it that time back to that POI, but yeah, you see how markets play out after waiting for months. new year. We had this was our first trade because we had broken the trend line, the first order block. Prices came, entered the order block. I don't know if I can add the pixel. Okay, entered the order block. We took the first sale, but news came. I told you guys close out, enter the POI. That was the best entry, and I'll overlay the trade over here on the side, so you'll see it. I'm still holding the trade. So now we are at a pivotal point because now we have broken below the order block. So the order block has not held this time. Though there was news last week, and prices came, entered, rejected, but now prices are finally broken below. Now we have a break of structure, change of character, break of structure here. So now what am I looking forward to? Remember, ICT traders, there's this ICT order block, bearish order block that has been holding price. We have rejections here, 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 here. So this is a strong high. This is a strong high because we have broken below. So what do I expect? We have already an order block here, so we'll see how markets will play out, but we target. Remember, I told you guys markets must make the next high low at this buy entry area. So we'll see a lot of reactions from this support, this area. We're just close now because we already reached here. So yeah, we just come back here. Now when prices come here, we look for buys targeting the upside. This is the target range for me, but I'll always update you because, you know, markets changed all the time. Let me go to the daily on this pair so that people can understand the bearish ICT block, where it's coming from. Guys, here is the bearish ICT block here, from here, and this. So we have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reactions. So 5 days market has reacted. We've broken below this order block. So now what do we expect? Either a move now to the, remember this is the strong high, this, so I don't expect it to get broken, and we see this candle respected it very well. So further movement to the downside perhaps. So yeah, then the last analysis before I enter my what I expect for the week, we had this was the trade I took last week, and I told you guys about it. It was just a scalping trade because end of the day markets didn't play out where I wanted it. News obviously pushed prices above my zone, but I'm going to explain, you know, in depth. So first, order flow was still bullish. So if I needed a good sell confirmation, I would have waited for prices to break below this trend line, confirming, you know, I wanted prices to break below this, either this order flow or this order flow, come here, retest, then push to the downside. This was the order block. Prices came back to the order block, prices held, but remember, we had some inefficiencies, I think, or what was it, on the lower time frame. This is on the 2-hour time frame, but there was a bullish order block still here. Remember, if we have a break of structure, markets will always try come back and push higher. So we saw this huge rejection. When I saw this huge rejection, I was like, oh my god. So institutions are still respecting order flow. Before news comes, I know, I just expect bullish presence. So I closed out 90% of my positions on this next candle. I didn't put a TP, so I would have taken profit here. Actually, I would have gotten like $150,000 on this trade, but I got less. I got 56 something thousand, the 9th trade. Then obviously my broker took commission. Yeah, so took my 90% of trades here, left some running. I just held some. I was like, let me hold like 10%. We see if news will, you know, push it down. But news pushed it up, so I ended up losing some few positions, of which you'll see on the overlay when I'm editing next to the side. But I still got money, paid myself obviously. So yeah, 90% paid, small loss, $56,000 in the bank. So yeah, what do you expect? So my next analysis for what I expect this week, the first pair is AUDNZD. Let's look at AUDNZD. I have some interest in it. So let's start from the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. I have a past with this pair. So first trade I ever took, okay, this year, was it this year? Yeah, we had this, prices broke above, so we had a change of order flow because prices moved out of this trend. Then our first order block took the buy, pushed targeting the high, and TP hit after holding for some time from almost 1st March to around 20th March. So now we've had now the same setup. Prices have broken below on the, let's go to the 2-hour time frame. Prices have broken out of this channel. First order block took the sell, the first obvious TP, you just target the low for safety, but from there you can only secure profits and continue holding. But now we are at this pivotal moment because order flow also is still bullish in my opinion. So order flow here respected. So unless we disrespect this, is when I can officially confirm, you know, because I feel like this was a retracement, was just a, what is the word I use, to a correction. So correction, then we continue higher. So what have we seen? The first thing we've seen is the support. These are support and resistance lines, so don't worry, you can see here that respected over here, rejection. So either way, here we've seen first thing, price held the support, reacted, the prices reacted off the support. So what do I expect to see? And on the lower time frame, if we go, we can see change of order flow. Get to see prices are going higher now, and so I'll advise you guys to watch out for this trade. If I find a bullish entry, obviously I'll update you guys during the week. I just don't want to end up like a roaring kitty, you know, where I advise traders to buy something and it backfires on me. Congress calls me, and yesterday I was watching Damn Money actually. So actually I've made a video about it on YouTube. It's here, this Wall Street versus Reddit GameStop. You can go check it out. I have made it by me. Yeah, you can watch it, really interesting. Some people asking me questions on WhatsApp about it, on email, so I was like, let me just make a video then, you know. Yeah, so it's good. Yeah, so this is one of the pairs I'll be monitoring this week, AUDNZD. And also I'll be monitoring Brent oil. Let's search for Brent oil. I love using the keys on the screen. Brent oil, it's already went here because I was searching. Let me just mark it this week. So Brent oil, let's go in the 4-hour time frame. So what do we see here? We see a sweep below this area, break of character. On the lower time frames you'll see break of character. This is on the 4-hour, so the break of character is here. We'll also see prices have broken above this trend line. So you know, prices have broken above, retested here, broken above this candle, came here, wicked into this order block. It's a SCOB, right? Single candle order block. That's what I always call it. That's SMC, right? I'm tired guys, my mind's so cloudy, I'm sorry. So we had a sweep below this area, retested. So what do I expect? I expect prices to continue going higher on Brent oil. This is just simple technical analysis, you know, so we know there's a lot of volume here. We see also we broke above this high, respected. So we see order flow is order flowing, right? It's flowing. So yeah, also have a look at this Brent oil. Expect maybe higher prices. Obviously I'll be updating you guys through the week, and yeah, Hope you guys have a blessed. Tomorrow is a holiday because I've told you banks are closed, so markets will be partially closed. So why risk? Why risk and spoil our good track record so far? No point. So we see what opportunity comes our way. I'll obviously update you guys. Right now we are at $156,617. Remember, our target is $500,000. So will we reach there? Are you following up? We'll reach there. I know we'll reach there. We'll even target $1 million after that. So you guys have a blessed weekend. Enjoy the remaining part of your weekend. It's just how many hours to market open? So markets, it's just 8 hours 23 minutes to market open. So yeah, hope you guys have a blessed week ahead of you. Trade safe, trade responsibly, manage your risk, and we'll all be fine. In case of anything, just comment below my videos. I'll analyze anything you want, stocks, you name it. I'll give you in-depth analysis on anything you want with any strategy. If all I can just combine, I don't mind, just comment. I'll obviously always upload. Doing this for you guys. So yeah, have a blessed week and cheers.